It doesn't seem to be too bad of a team combination. Yeah.
There we go.
I start first, right?
Yeah.
I strike this shit. Yeah.
Alright, they're just stage striking right now.
So it's either Dreamland or Pokemon?
I'm wondering what Omega Shenron's team, what their strategy is going to be going against this team.
Side rest.
Yeah, I guess so, eh?
So I get it, rest beach. And don't let Junior get hit by Gavin, of course.
Yeah, that is a very important part. I think Lampadaires is probably going to be going for HHH more often. Oh!
Because we've all seen it. We've all seen Peach combo Fox.
Of course, yeah.
Triple H getting juggled by Gilly Lampadaires. Gets out of it.
Oh, good rest for Jigglypuff.
First up air. Oh my god, forward air. Is that a forward air? Forward up air. Against Jigglypuff.
Yeah, that was a forward air.
Wow, she went really high.
Yeah. Again, it is pretty strong.
Yeah, but usually goes sideways.
Oh, that's true, yeah. He was probably DIing up.
It just shows you how much false speed really high.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, back to Jigglypuff.
Kage just killed everyone. Oh, unfortunate backers his teammates. Oh, gets shine spiked. And again, that's gonna do it. Yeah, Kage, I think Kage risked a little bit too much going after that. Yeah. Oh, very strong down air. Yeah. Okay, wave shine up smash from Fox.
Oh, Lampadaires was under the stage and recovers.
Yeah, he came back on the other side. That was really clever.
Oh, up air.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that was a pretty decisive victory for Omega Shenron.
Collect Fox's stock for collecting.
Yeah.
Taxes.
Yeah, there you go. Fuck! Thanks, guys.
Okay, game 2 is going to be on Battlefield then. I think this is going to prevent Jigglypuff from living so long.
Just all I'll say is space back down. Tries to jab Fox shield, gets wave shine up smash.
Oh wow, yeah. It's pretty good at shield options.
Landed. Oh, Fox is not no left way. Oh, up against shield against shield. Won't kill at 69, obviously. Oh, it's up.
Oh, accidental pause.
DQ! Take the game! Take match!
Luckily, none of them have decided to take the stock.
Oh! It's a stock at most. Yeah, we need to set it.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful!
That was a good stage spike.
Oh!
Oh, Oh, and he doesn't come back. He went all that distance and he didn't make it.
Ooh. Tries to rest the Kage. Kage does not have a hurt box.
Nope. Double forward air hit.
Oh my god!
Oh, everybody!
That is why the crowd loves Ganondorf.
Really comparing not bad episode. Was way too high.
Oh wow. I really think that Kage should go for Jigglypuff a little bit more on this stage. If they want to make the best of their counter pick. Oh, that dash attack.
Bam is out.
Yeah, this was a really dramatic change from the last match. Forward air, that'll take it. Yep.
I would have taken the stock. If you wanted me, I would have taken the stock. No, it's stock. If you want me to...
There's a little bit of confusion
The finer
there.
aspects of what happens when somebody pauses.
Yeah, there's just a little bit of confusion about what happens when one of them pauses, but they decided not to do anything about it. They're good sports. Oh wow. HHH just got a lot of damage from that down smash on Fox. Oh, but then he loses his stock for it.
Ooh, reverse his foot.
I don't think I've ever seen that before. Oh, that was a solid down air.
That's definitely
Yeah.
a sock. You do not.
No. Fox has already lost 2 stocks. Oh,
Oh,
is
my
that it?
God. Okay.
Oh, okay, and he makes it back on stage. That could have been very bad for Green Team. Luckily for them, Jigglypuff still has all 4 stocks. Oh, not anymore.
He sends Fox back on stage. He's smacking the ledge. Jigglypuff floats around. Oh, shush Peach off.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That was an excellent team combo from Green Team.
Fox close to 12%. But that's okay. He's supported by his teammate. He's edge guarding.
Oh, wow. Somehow he didn't hit Peach with that forward smash. Did she spot dodge it? Okay, shielding. That makes sense.
Okay. It's hard to tell. The shield's the same color as the dress.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no. We're doing green.
It was blue.
Yeah. 64. Oh, I think it was Oh! Beautiful.
Oh, wow. Ganondorf checks the Puff side B.
Justin, the white killed Ganondorf. He's back on.
Okay, so they managed to make a significant comeback from that situation.
Ooh, up smash like Jigglypuff.
Yeah, that was an interesting option. Especially after getting hit by down air like that.
Oh! So strong, folks.
I think HHH needs to stay alive right now. Oh, but that could be... No, it's not a rest. They're both in a bad spot right now. Shine Spike, that'll do it.
Oh!
Oh, wow!
Oh,
What a-
Rogers.
That was an amazing save, though. Okay, so I think they're going Yoshi's. Switching to double Fox. This is the same thing they did last set. Oh, actually switching to Sheik instead.
Oh, look at the jump. Oh,
Wow, that combo. Still going.
it's not quite a sock, but
No, but
a
that's
sock. There's sock.
that was a very solid combo from Lampadaires.
But it'll be very super cheap. It's skin.
Oh, the forward smash. And he gets an up air out of it.
Oh, cheap grabs each.
Oh, and everyone dies. We got a 3-stock match.
This is knockoff stage. Has to deal with Fox on this platform.
Oh, wow, that was a good tech.
Oh, this is right away. It's not moving back. Still very good game.
Yeah, I think HHH needs to stay alive right now if they want to make something out of this lead. Oh, wow. He's getting a lot of mileage from those uppies.
It's very good on skill, honestly. Oh, Sheik's on her last stock. Being harassed on the platform. Sheik putting it to the middle of the stage.
Wow.
He's bringing it to the middle of the stage. Oh, good way to break him up.
Oh, another uppy. Another one.
That's not quite why you at that level, though. But they're very good at holding on to each other. Like the right hand being clipped by the up, so you're back in safe state, right?
Yeah.
Oh, missed.
All right, let's see.
She forward back on the stage. Very careful.
Oh, okay, unfortunate.
She's on her last stock.
Last stock.
Ganondorf and Sheik. Okay, Sheik.
That's it for Ganondorf. Oh, but the stage spike down smash. Yeah, this is looking.
Dan versus Triple H now.
Uh-oh.
Cross stage. Oh, back air.
Yeah, HHH trying very hard to mash out of that wave shine, but it didn't work.
Triple H gets the weight that shot.
Yeah, Bam is playing this very well, considering he started with a much higher percent.
That's not a shine.
It turns out the shine also reflects things. Oh, forward air. Runs right into it. Oh, that'll do it. Alright, so that brings it even to 2-2.
Stadium, that's what I thought.
Pardon?
Taking it for one stadium, just like I thought.
Okay, yeah, for one stadium. And Lampadaires sticking with Sheik. I think they, I think it was close enough that it's a good idea to stay Sheik. Oh. It seems like blue team is getting sandwiched right now. They're just getting juggled between the two of the green players. Alright, I think, yeah, Bam's got the edge here. Oh, but now they're going to keep up on Kage.
Oh! Side hit of Dynasty.
Yeah, Kage is just getting stuck in the middle right now.
Oh, she throws Kage into his knee.
Wow. Pick up smash, the up air.
Not quite gonna kill. But that one
Oh, okay, that one will do it. Yeah, see,
okay, there takes us out.
I think they're generating.
They still have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, they do. I think they need to work on. They need to prevent HHH from getting walled out because they're just teaming up on Kage.
Oh, he misses down there.
Oh boy.
Kage catches. Good choice. Up smash. And there's an up air.
Alright, last stock each.
7 stocks to 2.
This is quite the mountain to climb. Oh, okay.
What was that?
Oh, down air. Nothing after that. Oh, okay. So the speech is done. Kage's gonna have to work really hard to not get. Oh, alright, that's it. Alright, so congratulations to Omega Shenron, moving to Grand Finals.
Walking with the TV.